Hello, everyone. Welcome to the lead generation program for real estate professionals. In this video, I will introduce myself and give you a quick overview of what this program is all about. So, my name is Fahad, and I will be your instructor for this program. I'm based in the UAE and I've been here for past 15 years. I have 17 years of experience in marketing and I'm specialized in digital marketing, e commerce, and AI. I have worked in different domains such as ad agencies, retail, ad tech, and real estate. And I also have 5 years of experience as a lecturer where I have trained several students in different institutes and universities, along with 50 plus corporate programs that I have conducted for several companies that includes Jumeirah Hotels and Resorts, Nakhil, Sakoon Insurance, and many others. So, this is our 4-day program especially designed for real estate professionals who wants to understand exactly how marketing agencies generate qualified leads. It's an intensive practical program where I will show you how to run Google, Meta, and TikTok ads to attract serious buyers. You will also learn how to position yourself as a trusted professionals by creating your own content and website. No big budget, no prior marketing experience needed for this program. So this program has 3 stages. First, you will get detailed digital marketing training. Second stage is a practical demonstration of each platform so you know exactly how to generate leads. And the third stage is 30 days of support that you will get after the training. I will help you apply what you have learned and give you technical support so you can generate leads based on the campaign budget you choose. So this is an overview of the program. It shows what you will learn. You can find a more detailed program outline on the website. So we will start with the introduction and overview. Here you will find out the fundamental of digital marketing. You will understand how you can create your own account in Meta and Google Ads to run a lead generation campaign, and you will also get an understanding about different metrics, customer journey funnel, and the tools you needed for the digital marketing campaign. And then you will understand how you can generate content through AI. This is where we are going to talk about content creation specifically for real estate. We are going to discuss different purpose and types of content, different AI tools to create a content, and how you can edit the content, and how you can even create your own persona, own AI persona, your own digital twin. So you don't have to record yourself. You just have to upload your picture or video, and then you can generate the AI content based on your video and picture that you have uploaded. Then you will learn social media ads for real estate leads. Here you are going to understand how you can create your own lead generation campaign in Meta, for example, in Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. You're also going to understand how you can target or retarget the audience. For example, if you want to target those people who are looking for a real estate properties, you can target them. You can also retarget those who have already engaged with you through your website or through your previous campaign. We are going to also understand how you can use the budget, minimum budget, to get a better leads. You're going to understand how to measure the campaign. This is where we are going to talk about the analytics as well. And then you are going to understand how you can use CRM to automate leads so you can get alert on your WhatsApp or maybe on your email as well. Choice is yours. Obviously, you will have a practical demonstration of all of these factors that we have discussed here. Then we will talk about Google Ads for real estate leads. This is where you are going to understand that how you can create ads on Google search campaign, video campaign, display campaign, and Gmail campaign as well. You are going to understand how you can target and retarget the audience, what are the bidding and budgeting, how you can do the keyword research, and again, how you can automate the leads through CRM as well. All the practical demonstration will be given on this session as well. Then we are going to discuss how you can create your own lead capture website and how you can optimize that website as well. So that will be your identity. This is where you are going to add detail about yourself, about your properties that you want to sell. You're going to understand how you can integrate those particular call to action buttons with the tools like Calendly and Google Form. You're also going to understand how you can perform the email marketing and everything. As I said earlier, I'm going to explain you with the proper step-by-step practical demonstration as well. Now, these are the tools and platform that you will learn to generate leads. That includes many AI tools which you can understand and create your content accordingly. So we have a tool like HeyGen where you can create your own digital persona, and then we have a tool like Waalaxy where you can get the leads, organic leads through LinkedIn, and then we have a tool like Google Ads, Meta Ads where you can run the campaign in Google and Meta. We have a Shopify and Lovable where you will understand how you can create your own website. Then we have a tool like Lemon Labs where you can generate the voiceover as well. So many tools are there, and I will give you practical demonstration for each one of them. Now let's talk about the program deal. The full value of this program is $1,369, but you only pay $369 to start. Pay the rest only after you make a sale. Again, it's a sale, so you will only pay once your lead convert into sale. So when you start earning, then you will pay the rest of the amount. So otherwise, you don't have to pay anything. Along with the digital marketing training, you will also get some extra benefits that I have mentioned here, like a private 60 minutes one-on-one session with me, a practical lead generation demo, 30 days of technical support that I will provide, all the sessions recording and slides, you will get that, worksheets and templates that you can use for your lead generation campaign, massive collection for the transition hook. I will provide that as well. And you will also get an Ostadji certificate of participations along with the Google search certificate as well. So overall, you are getting a complete package: training, support, and certification for just $369. You may even pay 10x more if you hire someone to generate the leads for you. So it's a very great deal, so don't miss out. And we are only accepting 20 participants for this batch. So book your spot now. But if you still have any questions, just hit the button to schedule a meeting. I will be happy to discuss everything more in details with you. Thank you so much for your time.